Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360. You must remove discs and accessories to avoid damage. Use a soft, stable surface and have Torx T8 and T10 drivers plus a flat spudger ready. Begin by removing the hard drive and any faceplate clips. This exposes the first screws. Once done, photograph screw locations and sticker positions so you know where each piece goes back. This prevents lost parts and helps with reassembly, because you'll keep track of fasteners and fragile plastic tabs. You now remove all visible screws, underside, hard drive bay, and rear panel screws first, using the correct Torx bit to avoid stripping. Once screws are out, insert the spudger at a seam and pry gently, work around the case releasing plastic clips gradually so one tab isn't stressed. Make sure to lift panels evenly. Once clips give, slide side panels away. Keep screws in labeled compartments so you know which came from front, back, or interior. This organization speeds reassembly and prevents lost fasteners. You lift the top cover and then remove internal screws holding metal shields and the DVD drive. These steps give access to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect ribbon cables and use a gentle wiggle motion. Do not yank to free connectors. When removing the heatsink or power supply, note grounding points and keep screws grouped. Once the work is done, test fit the case halves before tightening all screws. If something binds, reopen and check for misaligned clips. Troubleshooting tip: if a clip won't release, backtrack and remove any missed screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.